So the audio interface is going to allow you to go from this to the computer. It's the gateway. Now, most audio interfaces come with preamps already built into them. Okay, now this could be a good thing or a bad thing, but there's a lot of different audio interfaces, okay? I've gone through a lot over the years. One of the most popular ones is the Scarlett 2i2. It's a 2-input and 2-out monitor out. Okay, so you have monitor outputs, monitoring, basically, outputs to monitor, to connect your speakers, your monitors, and you have 2 inputs, okay? And that's it. Then the USB cable, which connects to your computer. All the audio gets converted from analog to digital with AD converters, and then back from the computer to the speakers from digital to analog, DA. So this is the conversion. So when you're looking this stuff up and you're trying to buy one, they'll be talking about those specs. Don't worry about them, okay? The audio conversion today is amazing. So even the cheap ones do a pretty good job, especially if you're just gonna be writing songs and, producing them in-house and just, playing for friends or whatever, or for yourself. The quality is more than good enough. So just pick one and go with it. Don't worry about it too much.